and of him talking, and within it, we have gold, Jerry. We have the greatest little 4 seconds of all time. Listen to Stephon Marbury.
It's just a game. That's it. I'm still earning my check, by doing nothing.
Right.
I'm staying in shape. So, like I said,
I got to stop.
Yeah.
First of all, who did the interview? I don't know who that is.
I don't either.
Whoever it is says right.
Right. Yes.
Now, listen to these. These are the 4 seconds.
I'm still earning my check, by doing nothing.
I'm earning my check by doing nothing.
Doing nothing.
Oh, that's a classic.
He is gang. He's making $21 million to not play.
That's correct.
Now we've seen this.
Right.
We've seen this with Keyshawn.
Right.
We've seen this with T.O.
Right.
But he's the winner now as far as most money to go away. 21 mil to not play.
It is a classic. Now, you can make an argument it isn't exclusively his fault, and I wouldn't disagree with that.
No, I'm with you on that.
But at some point, someone needs to bring him a dictionary and show him the definition of the word earn. Okay?
Yeah.
I think he's struggling with an understanding of what the word earn actually means.
I'm still earning my check, by doing nothing.
I think by doing nothing, it is physically impossible to be earning.
Yeah.
You are not earning.
Yeah.
What he should have said is, I'm currently not earning my check by doing nothing. Now, again, you want to say it's not his fault? That's fine.
Well, that's one of his quotes.
Maybe it isn't.
One of his quotes, he says, I didn't create this. This is their doing.
He didn't fully create it. That's true.
He is right there. He's, there are two sides to this. They're the ones saying, go away, don't play for us.
Yes, they are. Yeah. I'm not blaming him for that. Right. It is just an extremely funny thing for him to say. And I love the guy who says right. I don't know who this is.
I know. It's just a game. That's it. I'm still earning my check, by doing nothing.
Right.
I'm
right.
You wonder if a different interviewer would have said, Earning.
Excuse me, Steph, if I may. When you say you're earning your check by doing nothing, what do you mean by that?
What exactly are you doing?
Great moments in interview history.
That was something else.
I'm earning my check by doing nothing. Right.
Yeah, right.
Guys, give Stephon Marbury a harumph. And I didn't get a harumph out of that guy. Because what is he talking about? It's just hysterically funny.
It really is.
Am I wrong, or does that go in the pantheon?
It does. I'm earning my money by doing nothing.
Doing nothing.
That's special. 21. Could we all hope to be in that position someday?
Has. You could make an argument that he is the greatest success story in the world.
I think you were about to say he has the greatest job in the world. He doesn't even have a job.
That's exactly right.
How do you even explain how he's making his money?
If you think about it, what is Isaiah Thomas getting paid?
18 mil. Isn't it? Oh, no. It was 18 mil over like a couple of years or something.
Whatever he's getting paid. The Knicks have 2 guys.
Yeah.
That they're paying a fortune to. Now, Stephon has a better job than Isaiah only because he's getting paid more.
I think Isaiah, doesn't he actually have to go into work?
No.
Oh, he doesn't?
Where's my Donnie Walsh?
Well, I know he has.
I know he doesn't have to do anything.
I know he doesn't have any responsibilities, but I didn't know if he still had to actually show up.
No, he doesn't.
To work.
No, they don't want him to show up.
See,
they want him to show up. The opposite of show up.
This is priceless. This is priceless then.
Tell me when you have Donnie Walsh's...
I really think... I think the total is they owed him $18 million. So you're talking $38 million between the two.
So go ahead, Stats. This is Donnie Walsh describing Isaiah Thomas's job.
He's not going to be here on a full-time basis anymore. He will not have an official title. There will be nobody reporting to Isaiah.
Okay, he's got nothing to do, and they're paying him millions. And Stephon Marbury, they're paying $21 million to stay away. If he comes closer to the team, they'll fine him.
Yeah.
So essentially, if he tries to be there, he's going to get paid less.
It's stunning.
And I'm earning my money by doing nothing. Right. I love the right. To me, the best thing about that drop is the guy who says right.
Yeah.
Oh, my God.
I'd have to say it's pretty embarrassing.
Get me my Marx Brothers thing, Stats. You know what I'm talking about. The Marx Brothers, the bit that we cut that one time where Chico and Groucho were talking about how much he gets paid for not rehearsing.
I think it's the Isaiah one is actually better because they actually come out and explain his new duties.
Well, Stephon Marbury is in the building.
Well, I know.
He's not on the bench.
I know, but if they come out with something like Stephon Marbury, we don't want him anywhere near the building, nowhere near the team.
Well, he was at the game last night.
I know.
On the road.
On the road.
In a suit. In the stands.
But not with the team.
Well, if he tried to go down to the bench, they'd fine him. If Isaiah tried to come in the building, they'd fine him. They get paid so long as they don't do anything. Listen, don't try to do anything. Should you try to do anything, we're going to give you less money.
We're going to give you less money. It is embarrassing.
Oh,
it
it's
is so
hysterically
embarrassing.
It's, but you know what? It's funny. If you don't find
it's
that
great
funny,
for us.
then I don't know what.
Yeah.
It's got to be. Who's got it better than him? Find me someone in America who's not thinking, yeah, give me $21 million to do nothing.
Yeah.
I would like to earn my money in the following way.
I'm still earning my check, by doing nothing.
Right now, there's a guy listening to us driving a cab who's earning a far smaller check by driving around in Manhattan in horrible traffic, 12 hours a day. He would love to switch places right now with Stefan. No one should be feeling sorry.
Oh, no, I don't think anybody's feeling sorry for the guy.
Oh, that is great. All right, on we go. Mike and Mike, that one is that is priceless.
Still to come, Albert Haynesworth's good news is the Tennessee Titans' bad news. We'll explain that dichotomy in about